Infinity and waves and the elementary rules that govern our universe. This presentation is authored and prepared by Davis Raymond Sarlaez. My idea was triggered by Brian Steiner's question to my comment to Skip Sulinder's post in Facebook group Quantum Physics Open Forum for Thoughts administered by John M. Wilson. In infinity, the rules of mathematics and logic no longer applies. The rules of infinity and waves. Creation. The frequency of the fastest wave is super fast that we cannot properly describe it. Nikola Tesla, who has the most understanding of waves, tried to tap it. We can even describe it with both existence and non-existence. It can only start to exist in a far infinite future, the future which doesn't exist yet. But this fastest wave doesn't obey the properties of time. It is what we call the true God particle. The best words that exist to describe it is, in a form singular constant and dormant but with extreme will and potential. It is super tiny that it can never be artificially created, divided or destroyed. It can exist through time. It can even exist through nothingness. Since nothingness has no properties and form and cannot influence and resist any waves. The true God particle becomes plural at the moment it meets nothingness. At the moment of creation, an infinite number of waves with different frequencies started their first beat. It is the moment that Einstein promoted as Big Bang time. The frequency of the second fastest wave is almost similar to the fastest wave. If we apply the rules of the sameness, in the moment of creation, the second beat of both of these waves should be in the same instance. They should only differ a little bit on their third beat. Since waves tend to influence each other, the fastest wave and the second fastest wave combine to form a slightly faster resulting wave. The resulting wave becomes a little bit faster than the second fastest wave. This resulting wave is also a little bit slower than the fastest wave. This process continues for the next fastest waves as a positive momentum of resulting frequency. We experience this momentum as the movement of time. Past becomes a memory, instances become present, and the future is still non-existence. Distance. The second beat of every wave always precedes already existing faster resulting waves. The slower wave is forced by the earlier resulting wave it precedes to take a longer wavelength. This is how distance is formed. Existing waves with longer wavelength are bigger than the existing faster resulting waves. Our universe is now in a moment where the present resulting wave is way too faster and much smaller than the preceding second beat of the present wave. Gravity, dark energy, strong atomic force, weak atomic force. Waves or resulting waves with almost similar or in the same family of wavelengths tends to pull each other. The closer the wavelength of two waves, the greater the pull. Existing space and non-existing dark matter. The frequency of the slowest wave is super slow that we may say, it no longer exists. It will take the infinity to reach its second beat. We can only say the wave with slowest frequency will have its second beat before the creation of the fastest wave. We only know a specific slow frequency wave had its second beat because it is what we call space. Space does exist. The next slower wave that is still potentially having its second beat is what we call dark matter. Since dark matter is also super slow beating wave, its second beat also will not occur. It is more correct to say that dark matter does not exist or it will remain a non-existing constant. Matter. Waves do combine and create resulting wave. And resulting waves also do combine to form another form of resulting wave. An example of these resulting waves is proton, the electron, and neutron. The present product of super-fast waves that is influencing the present wave is what we call electron. The present average speed frequency resulting wave is proton. A slightly slower resulting wave is neutron. These waves combine in an instant to form another resulting present wave called matter. An ample amount of electrons, protons and neutrons are formed when slow frequency waves collide. Other resulting waves like faster frequency resulting waves decays and slower frequency resulting wave that had already its first beat no longer exist. Decaying waves. Sustained decaying waves. Average stable present resulting waves. We can create very fast frequency decaying resulting waves by introducing or smashing two or more existing resulting waves together. It is also possible to sustain slightly faster resulting waves like light with a source. The resulting sustained wave like light also tends to decay. This explains why we can only see the surviving starlights. Light from super-far stars decays before reaching us. This means it is improper to use light to measure the age of existing universe. Light is a special resulting wave, since it is only the fastest moving sustained and resulting wave that still has the properties that can influence and react to present existing resulting wave of matter. Decaying fast frequency resulting wave like cosmic rays and no longer existing slower waves, who already had its first beat, are also formed in the interaction of the pole of non-existing dark matter and existing space. Black holes. Another sustained resulting wave is black holes. It is a super slow frequency resulting wave that is created by accumulation of gravity and sustained by mass. Its first beat occurs in an instant. Its second beat is also its death. Shrinking. We are still waiting or forever be waiting for the second beat of dark matter. Since dark matter still non-exists, speeding existing resulting waves has no way of influencing its speed. Dark matter retains its constant properties like potential frequency. It also means that its wavelength is still constant. This also means that the size of dark matter as a non-existing entity will forever be constant. Existing time waves that already influence each other shall forever shrink and exist to infinity. This gives us the illusion that our universe is expanding more than 360 degrees.